Canada, I'm Jamie Marie Plummer with the Aircraft Division of Leonardo, the Italian Aerospace and Defense Group. We'll tell you why the M-345 Tutor 2 is the best solution for Canada's training requirements and a potential replacement for the Snowbird jets. We're here with Captain Quirino Bucci, head of Test Pilot Training Programs, who has flown thousands of flight hours, including the first M-345 flight. The M-345 is the latest generation training platform ideal for covering the entire flight training syllabus, from basic to advanced phases. Captain Bucci, please explain to us the main features of the aircraft.
The aircraft is fitted with simple, essential systems for maximum safety and reliability, with minimum maintenance needs. As a result, the M-345 is a turbofan-powered, high-efficiency trainer with life cycle costs comparable to those of heavy turboprop trainers, but with better performance. The aircraft is designed to ensure the maximum level of safety, ideal comfort and field of view for both the instructor in the rear cockpit and the student in the front cockpit. The cabin has got two Martin Baker Mark 16 large generation ejection seats, providing zero speed, zero altitude ejection capability. Not only that, the aircraft includes onboard oxygen generation system and a state-of-the-art environmental control system. In the cockpit, we have integrated the latest generation human-machine interface concepts. So the cockpit includes the three LCD multifunction displays, which are also touchscreen, and a head-up display. In the rear cockpit, we have the same layout, including the three MFD, plus we have an additional MFD, which is used as a repeater, so that both the instructor and the student in the front, they have the same presentations. Both cockpits has got the up-front control panel, through which both student and instructor can manage 100% of avionics function available in the aircraft. Of course, we have a digital moving map, HOTAS controls, and both cockpits are NVIS compatible. That means that you can use them with night vision goggles. The two mission computer allow us to guarantee the hot redundancy of the system. The embedded tactical training system, based on the well-proven M-346 program, ETTS, can be easily integrated in the M-345. ETTS in the M-345 can provide both student and instructor with onboard simulation that includes representative tactical scenarios, realistically behaving computer-generated forces, onboard sensor including a fire control radar, targeting pod, electronic countermeasure, both active and passive, a wide variety of weapons including conventional and smart weapons, including relevant symbology for delivery. ETTS is capable to train not only in a standalone environment but also in a live virtual constructed environment.
Captain, based on your experience, how does the M-345 Tutor 2 compare to the best turboprop trainers on the market?
The gap is huge. The aircraft has got approximately 20% better performance in terms of max level speed, rate of climb, and sustained load factor. The life cycle cost is similar or comparable. However, we have a much higher teaching effectiveness and a much better downloading capability. The aircraft provides a jet experience, unique feeling at very early stage of training. Affordable and with a low operating cost, the M-345 is the ideal basic advanced jet-based training solution for air forces around the world, replicating the experience of flying a modern, agile aircraft.
Okay, grazie Captain Bucci. We hope that you are now better informed on the M-345 and that you're as excited as we are to see it flying over Canadian skies.